All right, Trading Card Club live again, Wednesday, September 30th. This is our 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break. We've got 6 blasters of Mosaic football. Gonna get started about 2 minutes after 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, this is the 6 Mosaic Blaster break. What's going on, everybody? Just giving it a few minutes to join. This is the 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break with 6 Mosaic football blasters. Give it about 1 more minute. We'll get started at 2 after. Just another reminder, this is the 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break with 6 Mosaic football blasters. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Jordan Hicks, Lawrence Taylor, Keenan Allen, and a Jordan Hicks Green Prism. Phillip Lindsay, Devin Singletary, C.J. Henderson, and a will to win, Aaron Rodgers Silver. Boomer Esiason, Juju Smith-Schuster, Chris Godwin, and we've got a Genesis. That is a Max Crosby Genesis for the Oakland Raiders. Nice hit there for Oakland. My bad, it's Vegas, not Oakland. Larry Fitzgerald, John Elway, J.K. Dobbins, NFL debut, and a flea flicker, Kenyon Drake, Kyler Murray, Larry Fitzgerald. Nice hit there. A couple nice hits for Arizona there. Couple of these out here. We got the Genesis, and we got the Will to Win so far. Earl Thomas, Saquon Barkley, Max Crosby, and a silver Nick Bosa. Nice second-year hit there from San Francisco. Nice hit, Justin S. Aaron Jones, Brian Burns, Tyler Johnson, and an old school Elway. Jeff Saturday, Deshaun Jackson, Ricky Williams, and a Gabriel Davis green prism. Odell Beckham Jr., Chandler Jones, Kevin Green Hall of Fame, and a Touchdown Masters Todd Gurley green prism. Blaster number 2. DJ Moore, Chris Conley, James Conner, and a green Devontae Adams. Mari Cooper, Mike Vick, Anthony McFarland Jr., and a Will to Win Lamar Jackson. Kenny Galladay, Jason Taylor, Tyler Lockett, and a Mike Allstar green prism. Tre'Davious White, Carlos Hyde, Jalen Reagor NFL debut, and a flea flicker with the Bills, Singletary, Diggs, and Allen. Raekwon Smith, Stephon Gilmore, Dwayne Haskins, and a silver Michael Pittman Jr. Nice hit there for the Colts. Travis Kelce, Jason Witten, Devin Duvernay, and Randy Moss, old school. Mark Ingram, Joe Namath, LT, and a Patrick Queen green prism. TJ Hawkinson, DJ Shark, Troy Aikman Hall of Fame, and a Touchdown Masters Dalvin Cook. Oops. Blaster number 3. Danny Dimes, Tyler Boyd, Tyrann Mathieu, and a Jimmy G. Darren Waller, TJ Watt, John Elway, and a Will to Win Khalil Mack prism. Mike Gesicki, Emmitt Smith, Mark Andrews, and a silver Mike Allstott. Steve Largent, Jarrett Stidham, Brian Edwards, and another Lamar Will to Win. Eddie George, Aaron Rodgers, Christian McCaffrey, and a green prism Chase Young for the Washington football team. Nice hit there, Randy C. LT, Keenan Allen, Michael Thomas Pro Bowl, and a flea flicker Buffalo Bills again. Juju Smith-Schuster, Darius Leonard, Deion Sanders, and a J.J. Watt green prism. Chris Godwin, Saquon Barkley, Denzel Mims, and a silver flea flicker Jerome Bettis, Juju Smith-Schuster, and Terry Bradshaw. Blaster number 4. Devontae Adams, Drew Brees, Landon Collins, and a Brian Burns. Khalil Mack, Gardner Minshew, Chase Claypool, and a flea flicker Fournette, Sharkin, Gardner Minshew. Myles Garrett, Le'Veon Bell, Derwin James Jr., and a Ricky Williams green prism. Jordan Hicks, Phillip Lindsay, Lamar Jackson MVP, and a Touchdown Masters prism Brett Favre. Devin Singletary, Jerome Bettis, Adam Thielen, and a silver Jared Goff. Boomer Esiason, Fitzgerald, DeAndre Swift, and a Peyton Manning. Earl Thomas, Aaron Jones, a Jordan Love NFL debut. Nice hit there for the Packers. Derek E. And a Todd Gurley Touchdown Masters. John Elway, Bobby Wagner, Alvin Kamara, and a KJ Hamler green prism. Blaster number 5. Von Miller, Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, and a Phillip Lindsay green prism. Marlon Mack, Tyler Eifert, Jacob Eason, nice one there for the Colts. Randy C with that one. And a Touchdown Masters Todd Gurley prism. A couple of those Touchdown Masters for Todd Gurley. We'll see about that this year. Here's a Kyler Murray, A.J. Brown, Marshawn Lattimore, and a Jamal Adams green prism. Got a Drew Lock, Matt Judon, Jacob Eason NFL debut, and a Miles Sanders got game. Got a Brett Favre, Charles Woodson, Brian Dawkins, and a Cooper Kupp green prism. Teddy Bridgewater, Adam Vinatieri, Zach Moss, and a silver Michael Thomas. Nice hit there for the Saints. Caleb N. Nick Chubb, Devontae Parker, Steve Young, and an NFL debut, Green Prism, Cole Met. Nice hit there for the Bears. Robert S. Christian Kirk, Stephon Diggs, Hall of Fame Michael Irvin, and a Got Game Green Prism Adam Thielen. All right, last box of the break. Let's see if we can get some love. These boxes are pretty rough. Here's a Patty Mahomes, Marshawn Lattimore, Charles Woodson, and a Drew Lock Green Prism. Nice hit there for the Broncos. Barry Owen, nice hit. Got a DeAndre Hopkins, Terrell Davis, James Morgan, and a Will to Win Fitz. Josh Allen, Brian Dawkins, Devontae Parker, and a Nick Bosa Green Prism. Got the silver and the green prism of the Nick Bosa. Devontae Adams, Khalil Mack, a Chase Young NFL debut, and a flea flicker for the Colts, Reggie Wayne, Edgerrin James, and Peyton Manning. Gardner Minshew, Steve Young, Gronk, and a T. Higgins silver. Nice hit there for the Bengals. Myles Garrett, Jordan Hicks, Darrington Evans, and Old School Eli. Phillip Lindsay, Mike Evans, Aaron Donald, and an A.J. Terrell Green Prism. Nice one there for the Falcons. Last pack of the break, and then we'll go over what we got for hits. Devin Singletary, Boomer Esiason, Steve Young Hall of Fame, and a touchdown master Saquon. All right, let's pull these back real quick, see what we've got. Nothing too crazy in this box. We do have breaks going on next week as well. That means the boxes that are going to be opened next week got to have something. Got the Michael Pittman Jr. silver. Nick Bosa silver. The Flea Flicker Cardinals. Drake Fitz and Murray. Todd Gurley, Touchdown Masters Prism. Jimmy G, Green Prism. Patrick Queen, Green Prism. J.K. Dobbins, NFL Debut. Will DeWin, Khalil Mack, Silver. Jordan Love, NFL Debut. Chase Young, Green Prism. Genesis Max Crosby. Will DeWin, Aaron Rodgers. Jerome Bettis, Juju Smith-Schuster, Terry Bradshaw, Silver Flea Flicker. A.J. Terrell, Green Prism. T. Higgins, Silver Prism. NFL Debut, Chase Young. Nick Bosa, Green Prism. Drew Lock, Green Prism. The Patty Mahomes Base. Cole Met, NFL Debut, Green Prism. Michael Thomas, Silver. Jacob Eason. KJ Hamler, Green Prism. Silver Prism, Jared Goff. Touchdown Masters, Green Prism, Brett Favre. And a Chase Claypool. Alrighty. Like I said, guys, do appreciate you guys joining the breaks. We do have some breaks going on next week as well. Take a look at those. We definitely appreciate you guys joining. Thank you very much, and you guys have a good rest of your night.